We've known for millennia that your mind-body connection is essential for your well-being, and that with a solid mind and body connection, you are better able to manage your feelings when faced with difficulties in life. So with this knowledge, it's incredible to learn that many people are unable to control their mind-body connection, often resulting in mental health issues such as stress and anxiety. The problem is that most of us will cope with the small symptoms of these issues, but when they become chronic, they become a danger to your health. And this is where the Wim Hof Method can be highly beneficial, as by practicing his techniques, you will, amazingly enough, be able to strengthen your mind and body connection. Many who have practiced the method have said that their mind-body connection has significantly improved as a result, thus making them feel stronger, happier, healthier, and amazingly, they see a huge boost in concentration and focus. By combining the breathing exercises with meditation and exposure to cold, you will feel significantly better, with the exercises helping people utilize the power of their mind, and even learn to control their nervous system and immune response. So with this in mind, how do you develop a mind and body connection to help improve your mental health? Focus on your breath. It's often cited as a method to help many potential mental health issues, but the first step is always to learn to focus on your breathing when practicing exercises. By practicing what is considered to be one of the most important techniques in focusing on your breath, it has been scientifically proven that breathing exercises stimulate the mind and body connection, helping to reduce stress. And with it, it forces a number of physiological changes that help put you in a more relaxed state of mind. To do the technique, simply close your eyes and take a deep breath. Once you've breathed in, exhale slowly and repeat this process a number of times. If you practice this a few times a day, what you'll find is that you will positively impact your mental health over a period of time, helping your natural state to be one that's relaxed and calm. Stretch. Stretching is a great exercise to reconnect with the sensations in your body and is done in many forms of exercise known for varying benefits, such as yoga and Pilates. The reason it works so well is that when we face a lot of stress, we often don't realize how stress can negatively affect our body, which can have a significant impact on our well-being. This can lead to it manifesting itself through tight shoulders or clenched jaws, or tightening of other muscle groups that over time can lead to pain and discomfort. So it's vital to take the time to stretch your body to help release the tension. Even at work, such as during a meeting, you can always do a quick and subtle shoulder roll to help immediately feel the reduction in muscle tension, which in turn would actually help you perform better. Stay hydrated. It's amazing that we often take responsibility to care for others more so than we do for ourselves, failing to do some small but important things in our lives. As a result of this, along with how busy we are generally speaking, we can easily forget about the basic needs like hydration, something that shouldn't be underestimated. It's critical to stay hydrated during the day, as drinking water has many effects on the body, not least to dispose of our bodily waste. It's worthwhile keeping a water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip it throughout the day. The issue many people have is that they carry the water bottle with them, but then forget to drink it as they are busy throughout the day. Do mental and physical exercises. It seems obvious, but the importance of exercise, both mental and physical, cannot be understated. It's a fundamental part of our happiness because as humans we're naturally acclimated to move about and solve problems in life. The thing is, you can enhance your mind and body connection by regularly performing mental and physical exercises, such as meditating for just a few minutes a day. For example, meditating for just a few minutes a day improves your memory, mood, focus, and sleep. Practice this in conjunction with the asanas from yoga, and what you'll find is that you improve your physical strength and flexibility too. Practicing yoga, something Wim Hof has adopted as part of his lifestyle, is amazing for your overall health, and has been created with the idea to stimulate the mind and body connection. And here's the thing, some of the key benefits of exercise can often be felt instantly. as you'll feel more confident and happy as you get the sensations of dopamine and serotonin. Over time, the effects become even greater as you become physically healthier and stronger, which helps both your physical and mental health. Do you practice any of the tips in your day-to-day life? If so, which ones? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.